Yo, what did you guys do?
Bro, we kidnapped some brother, fam.
Bro, someone's tweeting in the air saying, Z's is saying you OSS stole his car. His Rolls Royce.
Yeah. I'm whipping that right now, bro.
He tweeted in the air, he goes, when I catch you, who's Amir?
Bro, I don't
He goes,
even know.
when I catch you OSS niggas. And how does he know OSS took it though?
I don't know
That's
how he
why-
knew OSS took the car though. I don't, cause we napped some next brother, bro. And obviously we said yeah, OSS blah blah blah. But
He goes, you OSS bitches gonna
Damn,
get
bro,
what
let
is
me get this
coming to
card.
ya. If I see a two, if you see a two, oh man, that's who's this? Like two. Is that the owner of the car or what?
hey, I think I'm getting slid on. Oh my days. Yo, I think I'm getting slid on.
Where are you?
Oh yeah, I'm getting slid on. I'm getting slid on.
I'm coming. Where are you?
Running?
Yo, who's that? Who's
Pull
that?
over. Why you running?
Who's that?
Where are you?
Yo, man's on. Wait, hey, come thingy garage, bro. Garage casino.
Why you got my car for? Why you got my car?
Bro, I don't know who that is, bro. Wait. Fuck. W Stig. W Stig.
God damn, why you...
He's having a headache. Yo, bro, why you in my boy's car, bro?
Kwame hop out, gang.
Why you in my boy's car, bro?
Yo, wait, how you wigging me, bro? Kwame see you lot real soon, bro.
He dead?
I'ma see, bro. I'ma see. Well, you're shooting me, yeah. Kwame see you.